In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup registry in Windows 10. So to backup registry in your Windows 10 PC or laptop, firstly click on Start, then type regedit. Open registry editor. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now click on File and click on Export. Now type your registry file name. Select location where you want to save, like documents, then click on Open and then click on Save. Now close it and find out your file we save in document. So as we can see, registry backup is available. So that's it friends, by this quick method we can know how to backup registry in Windows 10. And friends, if you want to know how to restore and import this backup registry, so watch my second video. I will give the link in description. Also you will find link in this I button. So that's it friends, thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.